What's up, YouTube? Hudson Fan 15 back with the score box break, and try something new. And since my wife was kind enough to get me the little piggy bank, we're going to do the Feed the Pig Mojo. So I am putting coins in the bank, and hopefully that will get me some Fed Piggy Mojo. So I don't do a lot of breaks, but when I do, from now on, if I'm home, I'll make sure to feed the pig. So, Score Football, very basic product. You guys saw the pack break earlier. It's a pretty good example. Shout out to Mike, GronkFan87, who recently said that he did a box of this as well. And he didn't get any autos or anything, but yeah, that's not what this product is really about. It's about getting relatively inexpensive products and getting to get some of the first cards of your favorite players, new rookies and all, in their pro uniforms. So, OC, Ratliff, Ray Lou, Clemens, got a DeMarcus Ware in the zone insert, Curtis Brown, rookie, and a Matt Forte. So, DeMarcus Ware, that will be going to Nick at the card shop. Shout out to Nick. We'll be seeing you next week as well as Mike, GronkFan. Alright, Mike Finley, Brett Kiesel, Dion Branch. I'll go to Mike, Beanie Wells, Michael Turner, complete players. Lewis Murphy, and Denarius Moore. Combine looks like. Yeah, we were discussing in the comments of Mike's video that he did a box and he didn't get a single numbered card. And I've done this 2 years in a row, and there's always at least a few, so I don't know what was up. Tony Romo, Anquan Bolden, Jamal Charles, Cortland Finnegan, Jarrell Jernigan, hot rookies, Ryan Mallett, and Leon Washington glossy. Okay. Kevin Cobb, Aaron Hernandez, Michael Jenkins, Steven Jackson, and I did get a number card. This one is... Oh, wow, wait a minute. It says it's a scorecard parallel, which in years past meant that it was numbered to 750. But unless I am entirely blind, there is no numbering on the back of this Matt Ryan. So I guess they are doing parallels, but not numbered parallels this year. Interesting. Michael LaShore, rookie, and a Gerard Mayo glossy. Huh. So I guess that's... okay, now I understand what Mike was trying to say with his comment about it. Alright. So, there are these parallels, but I guess they're not numbered anymore. Nate Allen, Todd Heap, Danny Woodhead. Got a scorecard parallel of Stephen Paella. And a Kevin Walter Gold Zone. So that's another parallel, and that is also not numbered. Those were numbered to 600, if I remember correctly. J.J. Watt and a Stanley Havili glossy. Charles Woodson, Jimmy Clausen, Nnamdi Asomugha, Benjamin Watson, Carson Palmer, complete players, Akeem Ayers, linebacker, and Mike Sims Walker glossy. That'll be going to Amish Dave, Josh Johnson 55. Yeah, I've got like piles of stuff pending for people, and I just haven't had really enough of a lot of stuff to send out to people. I did send out a couple of things today, though. Terrell Thomas, Miles Austin, Jason Campbell in a Raiders uniform. Looks weird. Adrian Wilson, Rashad Mendenhall in the zone, and my first Scam Newton. Jamal Charles glossy. That's slightly annoying. So if anybody is prospecting or is a Panther fan, like maybe you, Jake, let me know if you need that. Got a side for you. Rashad Mendenhall, James Starks, Brandon Lloyd, Kirk Morrison, here we go, Cam Newton, hot rookies, insert, Kendall Hunter, rookie, and a Von Miller glossy. So this is why you get this stuff, to get some of the, mainly the rookies. Definitely is a big draw to all this. Michael Vick, Trell Suggs, Brent Grimes, John Carlson. We got a Ben Roethlisberger, Millennium Men scorecard parallel. Phil Taylor and a Randall Cobb. Packers. Shout out to Todd, try fives. I'll start to another package for you. Greg Jennings, LaDainian Tomlinson, Mike Woodson, Dwayne Bowe, Phillip Rivers in the zone, Tywan Jones, running back for the Raiders, and LaDainian Tomlinson glossy, 2 LTs in 1 pack. Yeah, that is just peculiar. I don't know why they changed that. In years past, I used to load up on numbered by buying lots of score. Steve Smith, Marion Barber, Jacoby Ford, Tim Hightower, Jeremy Maclin in the zone, Aldon Smith. Is he a first rounder? He was a first rounder. And then a Mark Ingram glossy. Got a nice stash of Saints going right now, especially with that dual patch with the Drew Brees 3-color. Alright. Ryan Grant, Zach Miller, Michael Griffin, Kevin Walter, Vishante Shanko, Complete Players Gold Zone, insert parallel. Ronald Johnson and Darrelle Revis glossy. I have not seen a single Colt yet. Just noticed that. Also don't remember any Rams. Maybe Steven Jackson. Alright, LaShawn McCoy, Ray Rice. Adam, I sent out your package today, of course. Earl Thomas, Michael Turner, Drew Brees, Millennium Men insert. Chris Durham, rookie for the Seahawks. 4th rounder, not in his pro uniform. And it's the Antonio Holmes glossy. Clay Matthews, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, John Beeson, Aurelius Ben. There's Ram, Austin Pettis, hot rookies. Bruce Carter, rookie for Cowboys, and Darren Sproles, glossy. Alright, Hines Ward, Eddie Royal, Josh Morgan, Mike Sims Walker, Stevan Ridley, Daniel Thomas, 2 rookies in that pack, and Beanie Wells, glossy. I went back and listened to the Bob Gibson fan Christmas song the other day with the Jingle Bells, Beanie Wells, Adam Linda's Gay. Don't know why. Troy Polamalu, Jermichael Finley, Rolando McClain, what up Jason, Colt McCoy, Reggie Bush Complete Players, I don't know about that, Patrick Peterson rookie, and a Michael Griffin glossy. They were doing a thing on SportsCenter now with Mark Ingram and all these other guys in New Orleans that I guess there's word that they might be cutting Reggie Bush. Oh, how the mighty have fallen. Sante Shanko, Santonio Holmes, Louis Delmas, Joe Thomas, Millennium Men, Tony Gonzalez, Nate Solder, rookie, and a Clyde Gates, glossy rookie. E.J. Henderson, Vincent Jackson, Brian Cushing, Jason Babin, Andre Johnson in the zone, Brooks Reed, rookie, and Terrell Thomas, glossy. 3 Texans in 1 pack. London Fletcher, Dustin Keller, Cadillac Williams, Tony Gonzalez, Ryan Mallett, hot rookies, Alex Green, rookie, and Ryan Grant, glossy. I wonder how he's going to be coming off injury, Ryan Grant. Now, how's that backfield going to do with him and Starks? How are they going to split time there? Lance Moore, Calvin Johnson, Brandon Pettigrew, Rondé Barber. There we go. Millennium Men, Peyton Manning. Very nice. Owen Maresic, fullback for the Browns, 4th rounder. And Ed Reed, glossy. Probably pronouncing that wrong. Marecic. I'm guessing it's Maresic. Could be Marichek. Could be Rutabaga for all I know. Matt Forte, Brandon Marshall, Brad Smith, Justin Forsett, Jarrell Revis, complete players. Kyle Rudolph, tight end for Vikings, 2nd rounder. And Ndamukong Suh, glossy. He's trying to get low on a Bears offensive lineman there. Jacob Tammy, here we go. Donovan McNabb, Phillip Rivers, Paul Postlosny, Shane Vereen, hot rookie. Devon House, rookie, and Joe Thomas, glossy. Donald Driver, Ben Tate, Jonathan Stewart, Roddy White, Taiwan Jones, hot rookie, DeMarco Murray, rookie, and a Hines Ward, what up a DUI. I bet his eyes were just like that card, glossy. One of those guys that of all the guys who was going to get in trouble in the offseason, he's on a short list of guys that I would not have expected. Johnny Knox, Dahani Jones, Chris Long, Brent Grimes, a glossy in the zone, Phillip Rivers, Jarrell Jernigan, and a glossy Jordan Cameron, rookie. Mario Manningham, Wes Welker, Michael Oher, John Carlson, Michael Vick, complete players, Stevan Ridley, rookie, and a Miles Austin, glossy. Mark Sanchez, Nick Collins, Tavon Branch. That's what that says. Garrett Rudd, Hines Ward, Millennium Men, Ryan Kerrigan, rookie, and a Patrick Willis, glossy. What up to GC is Me, 2007. Alright, DJ Williams, Joe Hayden, Maurice Jones-Drew. Got a red zone, Brad Smith, still not numbered. Matt Schaub in the zone, Greg Salas, rookie for the Rams, and Cortland Finnegan, glossy. not know why they did not number those. Brett Kiesel, Champ Bailey, Mercedes Lewis, D'Amico Ryans, a Gold Zone hot rookie of Christian Ponder. There's the one I was looking for, Deloney Carter, rookie, and Aaron Williams, rookie glossy. So Micah and Dakota, you guys can fight over who wants the Ponder. Marquise Colston, Alex Smith, Javid Best, Kenny Britt, Mike Wallace in the zone insert, Roy Helu Jr., rookie, and a London Flesher glossy. A couple Redskins there. Heath Miller, Frank Gore, Jacoby Jones. Got an Evan Royster scorecard. And a Mike Sims Walker Gold Zone. Okay. Greg McElroy, quarterback Jets, took him in the 7th round out of Alabama. Rookie. And a Colin Kaepernick jersey. That's the jersey. Glossy. Yeah, I wish there were jerseys in this. Now they do put memorabilia cards, but they only do in the factory sets. Like when they got this in, it looks like they also got in 2010 factory sets. Toby Gerhart, Peyton Manning, Alfonso Smith, Mark Mariani, and now the Colts are coming. Reggie Wayne complete players, Robert Quinn, and a Visante Shenko glossy. Keep looking, keep checking, and the box still isn't coming. Still more packs. Alright, Joseph Adai, Keelan Williams, Vernon Davis, Derek Johnson. Got a Jamie Harper hot rookies, TJ Yates rookie, and a Carson Palmer glossy. Oh boy, I hope they get this labor thing solved and it's not a complete off-season disaster. Whatever ends up happening, though, there's going to be an inferior brand of football played this year. I just get the feeling. Julius Peppers, Ryan Matthews, Roscoe Parrish, Danny Amendola, Ray Lewis, Millennium Men, Greg Little rookie, and a Kevin Walter glossy. There we go. Last few packs. These guys are used to all this conditioning, all this training. I don't see it happening. LaRon Landry, David Harris, Dexter McCluster, Rob Mamai Baronis, Tony Gonzalez glossy Millennium Men, DJ Williams rookie, and a Noshawn Moreno glossy. Now, these guys, I think you're going to see a lot of blown plays. I think you're going to see a lot of ball control issues this year. Jermaine Gresham, Darren McFadden, Steve Breston. Got a Roz I. Dowling scorecard. Got a Joe Thomas Gold Zone. A Robert Hausler rookie, and a Julio Jones glossy. Watching ESPN yesterday at lunch, and they were saying that they believe that despite the lower pick, that Julio Jones will be a more impactful player for the Falcons than A.J. Green will be for the Bengals, regardless of whether or not the holdouts come back to Cincinnati. Final pack: Lance Briggs, Anthony Fasano, Jordan Shipley, Donnie Avery, Michael LaShore hot rookies, Muhammad Wilkerson, and Dwayne Bowe glossy. So that is it. That is one box of 2010 Score. Always good times cracking Score football. Got a few cards for the PC here, about half a dozen. A whole pile of these different parallels this year. Not sure completely how I feel about this product, but yeah, we'll have to see. With the lack of numbered cards, I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna. I would imagine that's gonna hurt the sell value and all of some of this stuff, but whatever. It's a good break. It's a fun product, and now I got a bunch of sorting to do. All right, YouTube. Peace.